you bought a home in the last 3 years, this might be the most important video you watch. A lot of homeowners feel trapped right now. You bought your home when rates were high. Your payment feels heavy, and you're wondering if you've made a mistake. Let me tell you something important. You did not buy at the wrong time. You bought the house, not the interest rate. And interest rates are not permanent. Many homeowners don't realize this, but refinancing is not about timing the market. It's about being ready when the opportunity appears. That's why I help homeowners monitor their options using advanced monitoring tools without guesses and without pressure. We can review your current loan, your interest rate, your equity, and your break-even point. So when refinancing makes sense, you are prepared. No panic, no hype, just strategy. If you bought your home in the last 1 to 3 years, comment refi or send me a message. I'll review your options and show you what refinancing could look like with no obligations.